What?
Huh.
Can I go?
This one?
She's gonna start eating all the vegetables here. Things that you guys don't eat, she'll eat. Oh, it's edible, huh?
It will be like this one.
Hey,
I think so. Nobody in, no?
This one.
Oh.
This is a flower. And this can be cooked.
But this is so big. I think this one can eat.
wow.
No one. I confused her.
The amount of lush green space is a lot. It's so dense. You can see it's a lot of coconut trees. This is where I live. Back to the roots. Just look at this. The height, I can't explain how tall this trees are. I've never seen coconut trees this tall. Whoever's watching this, I hope you are able to enjoy what I'm enjoying. The calm, the sound of the nature. which we usually don't see in the city. And anyone out there not able to experience this firsthand, I hope I bring little details closer to you guys. This place is very less touched by humans. There's like a handful of people living in this mountain. Yeah. Google Maps will not work here, just to let you know.
I can do flowers.
One thing unique is the sound of the nature. I mean, it's extremely soothing. I don't think I'll be back here anytime soon. I'm gonna make the best out of it. Quite dry season. The water is less. Alright, what you're seeing on the right is a mosque, and on the far left you may not be able to see through this video, but that's a Hindu temple. So this is where people who live in these mountains come spend their time when they need to pray. And the community here is very open. It's all kind of religions are here. We have Christians, Hindu, Muslim, many others. But yes, definitely Hindu and Muslim is more prominent here. That's the other temple. So we're going to do a quick walk into the temple. We'll probably rotate from there, I think. Sorry, I can't read this. Even though it's my language, I can't read it. then the water will be like a blue color.
Yeah? She said she want to go.
Okay, let's have a look. Wow, that's a tall tree.
If you go this way, we can touch that.
Okay.
But it will connect to the road only.
Oh, then shall we this way better, right? No.
This way only, both will connect.
Whichever is
place.
greener, I guess.
Greener.
Green. Now, see, this way is more greener. Okay, you can go.
Our tour guide.
Oh, tour guide.
Yeah.
Tour guide number 2, tour guide number 3.
നമ്മള് പഠിക്കാൻ വന്നിട്ടില്ലേനോ This is the well. I wonder if you guys can actually hear what I'm hearing. The amount of sound of nature is so different. By the way, if you hear some explosion sound, it's probably a firecracker. It's a special festival for people living in Kerala. And this is their day, so they celebrate by doing firecrackers throughout the day. Doesn't matter if it's day or night. So get to see more houses here. People live here in as a community. The water source is straight from the mountain. They make wells, and there some houses have solar panel, and any extra power generated by a house is distributed. Fishermen comes every day in the morning, goes around houses.
No, that's not the water.
one?
No, inside, down there. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna eat.
Please be careful.
Be careful. Be careful.
Mm.
Yeah. Come.
Come,
guys.
snakes, careful. You guys lead, so we can head back home, or so this will cut to the road, is it?
Yeah, this will cut to the road.
So how should we do? Temple and then come down again, right? So shall we reverse?
Yeah.
So it'll be another 20 minutes back, right? Let's go.
We can go to Suryan's house from there. We can touch to our house.
Okay, sounds good. Chechi likes all these plants. She will eat. Yeah, very good for health, man. Okay, I gotta emphasize here. Usually I would think that we would have to color correct, but it's too green. I'm just not able to explain what I'm seeing. It's like it's like the nature itself increased saturation. I don't know how to explain this. You heard that, right? Sorry if that sound shocked you. It's just firecrackers. There you go, another one. Whoa, that was loud. Seriously, never seen coconut trees this tall. The size doesn't make sense. I guess coconut trees in the mountains requires certain height to reach sunlight maybe. So it has to grow. It's full of coconuts. Guys, let me know if me talking and sharing little details while we walk is okay. Maybe I'll do more of those. But if you prefer, don't want to hear my voice, I can do those too. I think some of the trees are like 40-50 meters tall. Fun fact, one of the common resources here are black pepper, which I'll be bringing back home some. We have plenty of black peppers growing in our yard. And obviously coconut, we make our own coconut oil. So we get the coconuts and take them to the place where they take our coconut and convert that into an oil. So you get the purest form, ultra organic. I don't know what's, but yes. And we also have like some teas that grows, but this mountain, no. You guys decide. Yeah. Okay. You okay? Yeah. Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah. I think some prayer in the background. That's the part of the experience. We walk and let the surroundings speak for itself. How often do you hear this combination? Kids playing in the background, birds. sound of the trees. In distance here, some motor cars. I mean cars and trucks. It's getting hot, huh? It's getting hot. It's connecting road. And we're gonna sneak through this little space here. Oh, just another fun fact. Whenever you build a house, and land like this, since we're community based, you have to make sure you provide some sort of path for people to walk around so they can get around. So you can't just block their path. Yeah. So just the way communities live here and thrive. Now you'll see a lot of pepper plants. Most of them are already harvested, so you don't see them. Let's see if I can find you some pepper. These are all pepper plants, but all the peppers have been picked. It is a lot of peppers here. What are you guys doing?
Jackfruit.
You're picking up a jackfruit.
Oh, a lot of peppers.
Yeah. A lot of peppers there too.
Yeah.
Cool. She loves picking up plants and fruits and vegetables.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, sweet one.
Okay, let's go. Let's proceed.
All the flowers.
A lot of pepper plants. I'm not sure if you can see in the camera. A lot of pepper plants. Here. a well. Not used. Every house has a well. Plenty of jackfruit, some fat ones, some small ones. Oh, okay. Of course. It's a country of bananas. Of course. Coconut and bananas, mangoes, peppers, jackfruit are super common here. So it's a mango season. You'll see a lot of mangoes on the ground. And you'll see some litter here and there, but it's usually the fallen mangoes by themselves. See, all the mangoes. Nature just giving it back to themselves. Alright guys, we are back to where we started. I hope you enjoyed a little walk in my hometown. Hope you enjoy it and have a wonderful day. And God bless you all.